Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Creating with Sarah. So today's video I have for you some new undated daily planners that I have found at Walmart. Super affordable, so if you guys are into daily planners, you might want to check out this video. So hey there, I'm Sarah. Thanks for stopping by. So today's video I just want to do a quick little review on these cute undated daily planners by Pen & Gear. These are at Walmart. I think they were under $6. So I quickly wanted to share with you a review on them, and I have unpackaged them. They're all kind of janky right now, but let's just go ahead and take this off. Okay, so it does come in this sturdy little box. So if you're familiar with Erin Condren Daily Petite Planners, I think at one point they had like a wedding set that I have shared with you and used for devotional planning. It's the same kind of concept, so that way you can hold these and have these archived once you're done. So this is a full year daily undated planners. So you can start whenever because they're undated, but get a daily planner for each month for a whole year. I saw these a while back and I wasn't sure about them because of how small they are and what I would carry them in, but I am someone who uses a daily planner and I was really curious, so I decided to go ahead and snag them up. And then the other reason was because of the color palette. I am someone who loves bright colors, and so maybe I could customize them, so I wasn't gonna let the color palette, not use them because of the color palette or whatever. So let me just show you each color. So we have like this green pine color, we have like this nice nude, but it kind of has like a I want to say like a peach color, and then we have this one that's kind of like a peach color. I don't know, those are the two, and the lighting does not do it justice. Hopefully that's a little bit better. And then this bright orange, and they kind of, I think I've mixed them, but they kind of, I think they have like a family palette. So you have like these three colors. This one's really bright. Then you have like this blue shade, this other pretty blue shade, and then like this dark navy. So I feel like they kind of messed up on this one because this one's really, really bright, and a lot of them kind of go together in their color tones, in my opinion. Okay, they have like this baby pink blush. Then we have like this dark kind of brick red. It gives me more of a brick red. And then like this taupey color. It's a beautiful taupe color, in my opinion. And then we have like these two gray tones. So I'm assuming that those go together, and I forget, no, the green probably, the gray probably goes with this green color, and then this taupey color goes with the reds. So that's how they have them spread out. This one's just really bright. I think they really messed up on this one. Your whole year split up in threes if you look at it that way. And then I'll go ahead and share with you what they look like inside. So it's a pretty small planner. The size of this is 3.5 by 5 inches. And it's pretty thin paper, so it's not really thick paper. So that's what you're gonna get. And then it's a note page, and then your daily side. You have today's dates, you have the week up here that you can highlight or circle, you have your daily goal, your priorities, and then it's split up in morning, afternoon, and evening, which doesn't give you a whole lot. To work with. So this is definitely just like your daily things of a day, and then you can have extra. I'm glad they give you a note page so you can write extra things here. But if you are using this in a smaller planner, let me show you what I have. As of now, this is the only thing that I have that could technically fit So this is a print pression. It's very old. It's a ring system. I bought it a while back. I don't think they no longer sell this, but I'm sure you can find something on Amazon. I'm assuming like Moterm. That's like the popular thing in the planner realm to use. So you could put this in here. Because at first I was like, what am I going to use these for? They're so tiny. I don't know how would I keep up with this, but it actually fits. I forgot I had this. It actually fits in here really nicely, and then I could still use the ring system if I bought other inserts. What I have in here now is just like these daily sheets, an hourly, a water tracker, and then must to do. But I'm sure I can find some other inserts off of Etsy or something. But going back to this layout, it's pretty simple. You know, I'm glad it splits it up here. Of course, you could always white this out and put whatever you need on here, but even if you don't use this for like your day of planning, you could use it for personal goals. Like, I'm going to say wellness. Like, say you're doing food, or you're having gut issues and you want to track things, or definitely meal planning, you know, for your family, and what your goals are priorities for shopping and stuff. Like, this could also be for that type of planning. But yeah, we're going to give it a go. We're going to try it out. I'm going to kind of play with these, but what do you guys think of this system? I think the tricky part is finding something that would fit, because there's not a lot of, I don't know. I don't know too much about pocket planners. I feel like this is a pocket planner, but I don't know if there's like enough around that are affordable, right? That you're not going to spend a whole lot for like these small daily planners. But if you're going to do a whole setup, it could be worth it if you have enough accessories to set up a whole planner, if that makes sense. So we'll see. I'm going to try to play with this and do a whole setup and see how this works for me, because I definitely think I may, you know, change up my lineup and just different size of planners to use for 2025. So that's basically it for this small review on these planners that I found at Walmart. If you see them, definitely snag them up for only $6 just to see if you want to play with and set up a new planner or new size planner to work with. Maybe it's something different for you, lighter. But that's it for my review for this Pin & Gear Undated Daily Planner that, again, you can find at Walmart. So thanks so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this, and let me know if you have any questions, and I will see you on the next one. Oh my gosh, what am I going to do with this? Take care, stay safe, and happy planning. Bye.